I'm Rebekah Antonucci, and this is Tim Burks. And today we're going to talk about services on your truck.
All right, let's talk shop.
All right, Tim, so we get messages to our truck sometimes that our truck needs an A service, a B service, a damage inspection, you know, A, B, C, D, F, G.
Right.
What are all those? What can I expect? Do I bring them to the shop? But first, what are our main services that we do?
That's a great question. So we really do 2 services and then 1 inspection. And so our services we have set up, we broke them up into 35,000 mile intervals. So let's say a truck's brand new. When it initially comes into our fleet, it doesn't need a service, it needs an inspection. So we do a DOT inspection on it, and then that truck gets issued. And so that truck goes out and it starts running. Well, when that truck hits 35,000 miles, it's gonna come due for an A service. And an A service is basically, we do a complete DOT inspection and we lube the truck. That's it, okay?
Kind of just like you've been driving for a while now. Let's just do a quick check, make sure everything's still good, operational, and not gonna break down at 40,000 miles.
Correct.
Okay.
It's like an in-depth pre-trip, right? But we're doing a full DOT inspection on the truck.
Okay.
And then you drive another 35,000 miles, so now you're at 70,000 miles. And at 70,000 miles, we do what's called the B service. Now the B service contains everything that the A service does with the inspection and everything, plus we change all of the engine oil and all of the filters as far as oil filters and fuel filters on the tractors. Now, we do this because our goal is to get the truck to go from service to service with you out without having to see the shop for anything that is something that should be caught during the PM. Now, obviously you can't control if a wheel seal is going to fail or if an airline gets damaged or something of that nature, but we try to make sure that the brakes, the tires, the lights, the belts, the hoses, all those things are going to make it to the next service with no issues.
Awesome. Okay, so A service, detailed inspection, detailed pre-trip basically, make sure I'm good for the additional to make it to my oil change where you get all in there, make sure everything's good to go so I'm ready for my next 35,000 and plus miles on the road.
Correct. We also do what's called a damage inspection. So the damage inspections are due every 90 days, and that's where we do a simple walk around of the truck to make sure there's no major body damage. We do this for a couple reasons. One is we want to make sure that any damage that we have on the equipment gets repaired and gets repaired timely. But we also do it to make sure that we don't have drivers out there that are damaging the vehicle that are not reporting that damage. And it just really helps to streamline the process. If we know something's damaged, then we can work on getting you in to get it fixed.
So what if I'm not able to come by a shop around those 90 days? Is there a different way I can make sure my truck gets the damage inspection?
That's a great question. So we do have it set up so that you can take your cell phone and you can take pictures of the front, the sides, and the back of the vehicle. You can send that in to your driver leader. They'll send that to the shop folks. They'll review it and they'll complete the damage inspection for you.
Perfect. Do I get, fancy with my angles when I take those pictures, or just very straight on? Very
basic, pictures. Kind of look at it if you've ever rented a rental car and you're kind of doing that walk around. You're looking for big damage. You're not looking for little scratches or things of that nature. So just get a good, full image of each side of the vehicle and submit it in.
Okay, so as long as I'm paying attention to those messages for my A service, B service, and damage inspection and getting with my driver manager if needed to schedule those services in the shops, I should be good to go?
You should be good to go.
Thank you so much, Tim.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope this helps.
Appreciate you guys. Stay safe.